Right, I think this thing's working. Right, first heap of shit. Yeah, a chinesium chainsaw. Used once. What a heap of crap. Yeah. If you ever come across this one, avoid at all costs. Burko Power. It's just a Chinese piece of shite. Yeah. As you can see, the pull start went. And smoke pouring out from the side of the blade. Cut one friggin' tree. Teeth are fucking blunt as can be. I bought it in 2017 February. Then I went and broke my friggin' back and my tailbone and never got to use it. When I come to use it, I needed a 4 foot fucking bar to undo the spark plug. Everything screwed up here. What a fucking mess. So, hey, this is difficult through the lens of the friggin' camera, innit? What a friggin' piece of crap. Chinese bullshit crap you just can't believe. You expect to get something that's half decent. At least to cut a couple of friggin' trees up. Half a tree I cut with it. Smoke pouring out of the epoxy thing. All this lot was loose when I first had it. Like I said, spark plug. I needed a friggin' 4 foot bar to friggin' get him out. The fuel don't work if you tip the damn thing sideways. Now what the hell happened to the starter? I have no idea. You see one of these, leave it online, leave it friggin' there. Great, it cut beautiful for a bit. And like I said, oil pours out all over the floor. Yeah, it don't seem to get onto the chain. So, yeah, what's all that about, eh? Alright, well, all I can say is if you come across any of these 63cc Chinese fucking things, leave them exactly where they are. Leave them at the friggin' shop, store, or whatever. Hey, look, it's starting to work now, look. Undo it and it falls off. I'll show you what the problem is with the damn stupid things. Where's the other friggin' hole gone there? Yeah, typical bloke, can't find the fucking hole. Right. Let's take this off. Come here. Yep, so if you ever come across one of these Chinese ones, don't even waste your money. I thought I'd get it for a couple of little jobs, but I must admit, mistakes are made, big mistakes. Come on. Maybe I should have took it to pieces first, but my old hands don't do these very easy. Right, get that crap off. Right, as you can see, this plastic is just pulling out. The starter cord is just getting trapped. Yeah, look how bad that is there, look. That's just a bit of twine bending it. You almost need to stick a metal plate on the sodden thing. Look at this, started twice. 5 more starts and that's completely worn out, look. That a load of bloody crap. Of course, warranty's out on it if I'd known known then what I know now, I'd have sent the damn thing straight back. Never mind. They say it's sent to try us. There's another word for that. There you go. Right. Let's find out where it's smoking. Yeah. The starter cord is going to work probably another 2-3 times maximum. Like I said, you come across one of these Ruco, Burco, whatever, Chinesium pieces of crap. Christ, leave it there. Don't even try to friggin' pick it up. It's just a load of crap. And off you friggin' thing. It don't even want to friggin' come off. It's welded itself together now. Oh, God almighty. Yeah. Well. Sorry I'm taking so long to get the damn thing apart, but see if that makes any difference. Can't see why it should with all this. I've got a funny feeling it's welded itself together. I can't even get the frigging cover off. Big iron bar. Yeah, iron bar. Come on. As you can tell, I'm not impressed. I'm not a frigging great big iron bar. I still can't get the damn thing apart. Hey, I might be getting there. Something's come loose. Nope. Oh. Jesus Christ. One. Wow. Something don't look right. Does that housing look squashed on one side? That might be where all the smoke was coming from. Yeah, just there, look. It's almost touching. It's open there. It's open all the way around. Really tight there. So it's not even straight. I have to stick it on the lathe. Well, there you go. That's what you get if you try to save a few pennies. Piece of crap. I only bought it because it's got the 24-inch bar. There you go. There you go, look. You can't tell me it had no oil. It's overheated because of oil. Look, there's oil. There's oil everywhere. The chain is absolutely saturated. Yet it was smoking like a... Yeah. Alright, there you go. If you come across one of these chainsaws, don't bother with it. Like I said, the pull housing, you can see that it's gone. Look at the mess of that. The machine was started twice. Absolutely just off. Yeah. And I'm going to go through the rest of it and find out what's going on. There you go. There you go. A Buco power. Don't waste your money on Chinese shit. Go and buy something decent. Have a nice day. Because I don't think mine's going to be. Have fun.